Got some features that I like. One of those is the ability to remove the camera mount, and this will screw right in after you removed it to the bottom of your camera, just like this. So if you need to take a picture that's not on the tripod, you don't have to unscrew it every time. You can just have this quick mount set up that will lock in and hold it motionless. Like that. And it will quickly release like that. So, my opinion, that's important. In some tripods, you can get more heads, and some you can buy them with extra heads already in the box. And this is a good feature. I recommend it highly.